Hello, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll be providing an answer to these two questions under addition of fraction. Under addition of fraction, if you look at these two fractions, they have common denominator, meaning these are like fractions. These are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. But in adding any fraction, we only want to add a fraction in like fraction, meaning it is easier adding fractions that have like fraction than unlike fraction. So if you have a like fraction, what we need to do, as in 5 over 12 plus 6 over 12, your answer is just going to be, you add the numerator. So I'm having 5 plus 6 over just picking one of them as what? 12. You just pick one of them because this is 12, this is 12. And that will give us our 11 over what? 12 as your answer. So you can see it is easy adding fractions that have the same denominator. So any fraction that is not in that form, we must make sure that they are in this form for easy calculation. So for the second fraction, you will see 7 and 5 are not being the same. So we need to make them the same in order to arrive at our answer. But there are easy way of getting that. So 2, 7, 3, 5. For us to be able to have the same denominator, we can take this fraction diagonally. We multiply them. So this times this will give you what? 10. Then likewise, we take this and multiply. We also get 21. Finally, we are going to add the two numbers that we have to get 31. Your denominator will be multiplied to give you 35. Diagonally, you multiply. The other diagonal, you multiply. Add your result. Multiply your denominator. Simple as that. Or we employ the principle here by making each of the fractions have the same denominator. So we look for LCM. For this, it will be 35 as the LCM. So I'll take 2 on 7. If 7 divide this, it will be 5. So I'll take 2 times 5. 7 times what? 5. That will give me 35 as my denominator. So that will be 10 over 35. Take the second fraction. If 5 goes here, it will be 7. So times 7. 5 times 7, 35. So 21 over 35. So now do we see the same common fraction? 10 over 35 plus 21 over 35. If the denominators are the same, we only add the numerator. 10 plus 21 over 35. And that will be 31 over what? 35. So in addition of fractions, we can go diagonal, add, the bottom we multiply to get your answer. So easily. Or we can follow the LCM approach also in doing that. We can do the same, but careful look at our denominator. Shows that one is a factor of the other. So in order of getting our answer easily, we need to also make this to be the same, because 2 times 2 give me what? 4. So I only have my 1 over 2 times 2 times 2. This will produce equivalent of this, because 2 over 2 will cancel. So that gives me 2 out of 4. So I'll be having 2 out of 4 plus 3 out of 4. I have the same denominator. So 2 plus 3 over 4, 5 over what? 4 will be your answer. You can see that in this case, one of the denominator is a factor of the other. So we can easily create equivalent fraction of that fraction. Then we produce our answer. Or better still, diagonal multiplication 4. The other diagonal multiplication 6, right? We add to get 10. Then we now multiply the down. That will give us what? 8. 2, 4, 8. But these have a common factor of 2. 2 go there, 5. 2 go here, 4. You get the same answer. So we can use the butterfly approach or butterfly method, or we use the equivalent fraction method, or we can still use the LCM approach. I believe I've exhausted all the aspects that might interest you. If you grab the concept and understand, don't forget to share with your learning mates or with somebody who might need this. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.